Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the best OBS Studio setting for YouTube recording. So first of all, open the OBS Studio, and I have already opened the OBS Studio and recording my video with the same OBS Studio. So this one is the OBS Studio logo, this one at the top. So then you have already opened the OBS Studio and then click on the setting. In the setting, in the left side, click on the video. Choose the base resolution into 1920 into 1080 and choose the output resolution 1920 into 1080 and then set the FPS value into 30. You can also choose 30 or 60. Then here click apply, then click OK. Then again go to the setting and then go to the output and then go to the recording tab and then choose the recording format. Here is the recording format. Choose the recording format into MP4 and then go to the encoder, and the encoder, if hardware is available, then choose the hardware. Otherwise in the video encoder choose the X264 and then click apply and then click OK.